In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for homes on Zillow effectively with a comprehensive walkthrough of Zillow.com. Whether you're a seasoned property searcher or just beginning your journey, understanding how to utilize the tools available on Zillow can make a significant difference in your home search process. So, let's get started by opening up Zillow on your browser. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A reliable connection will make navigating the features on Zillow smoother and more efficient. Upon entering the site, you'll be greeted by the homepage where you can start searching for homes. The For Sale tab is your main portal into the world of property listings. Clicking on this section will bring up a treasure trove of listings ripe for browsing. Next, you want to focus your search by inputting a specific location. This focus helps you sift through thousands of options to find the perfect spot. Once you've selected your desired area, Zillow allows you to refine your search further. This includes filtering for homes that are either for sale or for rent, helping you target just what you're in the market for. You have the power to dictate the price range of the properties you want to see. Whether you're on a tight budget or looking to splurge, setting these parameters will save you time by cutting out listings outside your range. Moreover, you can specify how many bedrooms and bathrooms you need. These options can be crucial in meeting your specific lifestyle needs and ensuring that the homes in your search results are fitting. Delving deeper, click on Home Type to choose the category of home you're interested in. Whether it's condos, houses, or townhomes, this feature allows you to browse through precisely what you want. Perhaps you're particular about more detailed attributes. The More button is your door to refining the search with additional filters like property status, such as new, coming soon, or even those properties with scheduled open houses or tours. This easy access ensures you're aware of every opportunity that matches your criteria. For those intrigued by architecture or vintage homes, filters like the year built offer an enriching search experience. You can also consider the lot size or the number of stories if these aspects are important to you. Scenic views or specific home details can also be highlighted through features like keyword search. Enter any words or phrases that matter most to you in a home. Finally, after adjusting all these parameters, make sure to click on Apply. This action will update your list based on the criteria you've chosen, setting the stage for a curated list of potential homes. By following these steps, you now have a detailed and efficient method for finding the perfect home on Zillow. Happy hunting, and may your dream home be just a click away.